OpenAI just shook the entire AI world. Again, their latest announcement might have just wiped out a dozen startups overnight. Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, we re-diving into OpenAI's brand new agent builder, a tool that lets anyone create powerful AI agents with zero coding. If you've ever dreamed of building your own AI assistant, a bot for your business, or an automated researcher, this is your moment. But only if you learn to master it before everyone else does. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's break down what just happened, step by step. For months, startups like PyNX and CrewAI have been racing to build AI agent builders, but OpenAI just quietly said, "Move aside, we've got this." They unveiled something called Agent Builder. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to code. You don't need to understand APIs. You don't even need complex workflows. It's literally drag and drop AI creation, powered by what we expect are GPT-5 level models, with full web access and tool integration. So what is Agent Builder exactly? Imagine a digital canvas. On this canvas, you can drop different blocks, or agents, each with its own special purpose. You could have a customer service bot, a planner, a research assistant, or even an AI teacher. Each of these agents has a few key components. First, instructions basically telling it what to do. Next, a model you can choose from the powerful GPT-5 class models, GPT 4.1, or even smaller, faster versions for simple tasks. Then, you have tools like web browsing, file handling, or connections to apps like Gmail, Zapier, or Stripe. And here's the game changer. You can chain these agents together with conditions. Yes, real. If this, then that logic, right inside your AI, without touching a single line of code. It's the ultimate fusion of automation and intelligence, all in one place. Alright, theory is great, but let's build a real example. Let's say we want to create an AI agent called AI Learning Buddy. It all starts with a trigger node. This is what kicks things off when a user sends a message. Next, we add a classifier agent. This little genius figures out what the user actually wants. Are they asking for the latest AI news? Do they need to know how to use a specific AI tool? Or maybe they want a basic AI concept explained simply, like a teacher would. Once the classifier figures it out, the builder automatically routes the request to different specialized agents. For an AI news request, we enable web search and tell the agent, find the top 7 to 10 biggest AI updates today and summarize them in bullet points. For a question about an AI tool, another agent takes over, explaining how the tool works, its best features, and how to use it with practical examples. If the user asks for AI basics, yet another agent steps in, becoming a teacher and breaking down complex concepts into simple terms. And what if they're looking for AI business ideas? The agent can be instructed to hunt online for the most trending, profitable AI startups and business concepts. Each of these tasks runs automatically, connected through a simple visual flow. There's no backend setup, no complicated scripts to write. That's just how easy this new system is. You're literally building a team of mini ChatGPTs, each with its own specialized brain and its own specific job. But here's where it gets really wild. Agent Builder also supports what are called multi-capability connectors, or MCPs. In simple terms, this means your agents can now talk to the other apps you use every day. You can connect your Gmail, Google Calendar, Shopify, Stripe, HubSpot, Notion, you name it, and automate workflows across all of them. Imagine having a Gmail agent that reads and replies to your emails intelligently, or a Shopify agent that handles customer refunds and order lookups automatically. You could even have a calendar agent that schedules meetings for you without you lifting a finger. You're essentially building your own virtual team of expert assistants, and you can do it in minutes. Once your workflow is built and you're happy with it, you can publish it instantly. The moment you hit that publish button, OpenAI hosts it online for you, and you get a shareable link that anyone can use. This means you can create public tools for everyone, dedicated customer service bots for your website, internal automation systems for your team, or even brand new digital products that you can sell. It's like the App Store meeting ChatGPT, but this time you are the developer. With this single move, OpenAI has just stepped directly into the AI workflow automation space. Startups that spent months building their own agent-building tools now face a massive competitor that already owns the core AI model, the user interface, and the entire ecosystem. But for creators like us, this is an absolute goldmine. Because for the first time ever, creativity matters more than your ability to code. You don't need to write Python scripts or manage complex servers. You just need good ideas. Agent Builder handles the rest. And that brings me to the most important point. You need to learn this now. Every time OpenAI releases a game-changing feature like this, think back to custom instructions or the launch of GPT, as the early users always gain a massive advantage. If you learn how to master Agent Builder now, you could be among the first to create sellable AI tools, completely automate your personal and professional workflows, or even launch an entire AI-powered business from scratch. And you can bet that an agent marketplace is coming soon, where creators will be able to publish and monetize their AI agents. So get ahead of the curve and master it before it's too late. That SR breakdown of OpenAI's new Agent Builder, arguably the biggest shift in AI since ChatGPT itself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools and trends. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll actually build our first AI agent live, step by step. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and go build something amazing.